The students are from different parts of the world, and since many students are there from Middle East, Dubai, Tanzania, Saudi Arabia, this belt, they have Friday holiday. But if I will keep the class on Friday, then the problem is that Indian student will have an issue. And on Sunday, they don't have holiday. So keeping Saturday, the most probably the chances are that in the second half, if somebody don't have second half free, but can be requested in the office that on Saturday second half, maybe not every Saturday because it's a 4 Saturdays with an alternate Saturday, we can request in the office that I will be leaving earlier. Maybe if you don't want to disclose in office that you have class or something, that's not an issue. But अगर मान लीजिए कोई क्लास नहीं भी है, तो भी तो ऑफिस में अपने ऐसा करते ही होंगे. So for that reason it is that everybody will be able to manage the live class. So I have decided that we need to keep the class so that everybody can be live on Saturday second half. The second thing, I can keep the class, suppose management case study for 3 hour strategy case study 3 hours. But I have realized in myself of last 4-5 years experience that is not so effective. Because till the time I bring the rhythm in the class, after discussing the things and all that, then we need to leave. And as I said earlier, when I used to take the classes on weekdays at 8:30 p.m., around 6 months, 9 months back, then at that time hota kya tha, कि I start the class at 8:30 but there is no ending for the class. It is running at 12, 12:30, 1 o'clock. Joyjeet, you can remember. Then the student complains, sir, aapko to sona nahi hai, hum log ko to sona hai. So the problem is that the case study class is once started, it is never ending. The third thing is that if I will be preparing for MCS, SCS together, because it is a preparation required from my side also. It's not something which I can say straight away. ये based on case study है. That is I am saying कि ये based on case study है. तो इसके लिए if I am preparing for both, I am getting confused. Where what I read, what was written in the case study and all that, थोड़ा confusion होता है. So managing both in 3 hours will be difficult. Because will not be able to give that effective output in the class. And if output is not effective, no point doing the class. So for that reason, I have made the rule that 90% student will be able to manage on Saturday. But if not, the recordings are always there. Student can see the recording at their convenience. And the second thing, the first class I am going to upload on YouTube. Not because of promotion, believe me. There are so many not taking the classes, not having time, not having resources. So at least they will understand how to prepare. Uske baad they can manage on their own. That is not an issue. So you can say that this class which I am taking today will be uploaded on YouTube freely. Once the class is over, it will be uploaded. But subsequent classes will not be uploaded. So there are so many reasons. For that reason, you can say that we are having the class like this. And believe me, आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे को उससे ज्यादा. एक साथ 6 घंटे बोलना is not an easy. So I will take a break in around, giving you a break, say around 4:30, 5 o'clock. We will be taking a break of 20-30 minutes. I will have something, you will have eat something, and then we will again start. But आपको दिखेगा कि जब आप पूरी क्लास करेंगे, हो सकता है थोड़ा सा 5% you are thinking, you can say exhausted. But then you will feel comfortable कि एक major area we have completed so that I can prepare on my own what I need to study and all that. A good playground is given by which I can prepare on my own. Because anyhow, we need to study also regularly with the class. So for that reason, I have made a rule that the SEMA case study I will be teaching 6 hours. On Saturday, alternate Saturday, not every Saturday, 6 hours. In place of taking separate class 3 hours, every week it is 1 class of 6 hours, 4 times, 4 Saturdays. This Saturday and 3 more Saturday before the exam. If anybody is not able to do the class, or you want the recording, you will automatically be getting through the software, there is no problem. No request required. Since it is a alternate Saturday, तो स्टूडेंट को कंफ्यूजन होता है कि सर नेक्स्ट सैटरडे लिंक नहीं आया. लाइक टुडे, सिंस टुडे मॉर्निंग, MCS students are continuously mailing जबकि मैंने बोला ये बात सुनते ही नहीं है. So in that case, I again mailed them the schedule, which I mailed to all of you again, कि भाई क्लास का शेड्यूल हर सैटरडे नहीं है, ऑल्टरनेट सैटरडे करके उसके बीच में देयर विल बी सो मेनी थिंग्स आई विल बी शेयरिंग विथ ऑल ऑफ यू, विच यू नीड टू रेगुलरली अपग्रेड योर सेल्फ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द केस स्टडी एग्जाम. ओके, नाउ सपोज अनुप्रिया वन डे सेड दैट कि सर आई हर्ड दैट in the case study exam they are giving weighted average marking. That what is that weighted average marks and all that I have not discussed earlier in case of when we were doing the basic E3 P3 F3 classes which are still running. I have not discussed that. मैं यहां पर वो डिस्कस करता हूं कि भाई एक बार फिर से, even though when anybody joins, the first communication from my side is what? Giving them the case study video. और मैं केवल बार बार एक ही बात बोलते जाता हूं व्हाट्सएप में, आप देखो चाहे, please see this video, you will understand everything. Please see this video, you will understand everything. You don't have to ask anything from anybody in the world. केवल one thing I go on saying. But कोई नहीं सुनता है वही बात नॉर्मली कि वीडियो देखने, सर I have seen. But when the question is asked, I think that whether he has seen the video for 5 seconds also. Because sir पेपर कैसे होता है, एग्जाम कैसे होता है, कैसे देना है. So what the problem is that कि if I am giving video 100 times, then also if the student is not seeing, तो फिर वो एग्जाम के दिन भी टेंशन लेगा. ऑन द डे ऑफ एग्जाम सर पेपर कैसा आएगा, सर कैसे मार्क्स होगा, व्हाट विल बी द मार्किंग स्टाइल एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई टेक माई टाइम, you can say waste my time, half an hour in the class to tell you that what is a case study exam. Specifically relevant for CIMA case study. Okay. Now, it's a 3 hours exam. And it's an exam which is pure, you can say, in your language theoretical, in my language practical. आपके लैंग्वेज में यू कैन से थियोरेटिकल, कोई कैलकुलेटर यूसेज नहीं है, नो कैलकुलेटर विल बी रिक्वायर्ड इन द एग्जाम. यू नीड टू राइट एवरीथिंग एज अ थ्योरी, जैसे लिखा हो वैसे ही. दैट वे द थ्योरी आंसर्स नीड टू बी रिटन. बट दोज थ्योरी आंसर्स आर नॉट दैट you can find those answers anywhere written in any material. Maybe we will be studying so many things in the class. See, it's not getting muted. What should I do? When I am clicking, it is not happening. And you understand that since first class, I have said 1000 times that when the student will join, mute yourself so that the disturbance will not be there. But if the student not doing live, not doing recording, not solving questions, क्या किया जाए यार, कैसे करें? और तो झगड़ा ही हो सकता है, मुकालात. Sorry. So I mean to say that what should be done? Continuously saying everything, but again and again. You believe me कि सुबह से यार MCS के अराउंड 30, 26, 27 हर एक जन, सर आज क्लास है, सर ये रीडिंग, अरे यार क्यों नहीं ध्यान से सुनते यार क्लास में, क्यों नहीं यार, ठीक है, लीव इट. I mean to say that the CIMA case study exam is 3 hours exam. In 3 hours, they will be giving, and 1 second before proceeding otherwise, मैं जो भी मटेरियल यूज कर रहा हूं क्लास में टुडे, आई हैव अपलोडेड ऑल दीज मटेरियल इन द सीमा SCS फोल्डर. आप बोलेंगे कहां से मिलेगा? आपको मैंने ऑलरेडी अपने पर्सनली खुद, नॉट माई स्टाफ, आई हैव गिवन द लिंक ऑफ द गूगल ड्राइव फॉर ACCA सीमा स्टूडेंट बोथ, ACCA का ACCA SBL and CIMA SCS again and again. Screen is not shared. Not shared. What you are saying? I can see the screen. Everybody is not able to see the screen. Sorry, bhai. Others also? Okay. So maybe Nirav, you just log in again. आप एक बार फिर से लॉग इन करिए, एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन. Sometimes it happens because yesterday I was taking webinar for ACCA, so one of the students said that sir screen is hanged, और एक्चुअली मैंने देखा कि वो हैंग थी, बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग में दिखा, but others were saying no sir, everybody was okay, not a problem. So this link I have given to all of you in CIMA SCS. I have made a folder CIMA SCS November 2021, and whatever I am going to use today, everything is already pasted here in the first session. This material, then the pre-scene material, then the case study, schedule, then the planner, everything, whatever I am going to use, except this class slides. Speaker view. Okay. So I mean to say that this class slides I have not uploaded, as I said earlier, because this class slides will be getting updated every time. Every class I will be updating this, so when the class is over, I will be sharing with all of you the class slides, SEMA case study class slides, like that. So that is not uploaded because every time it will be changing. So when the class is over, I will share up till this class, like I am doing in any batches. But other than this, whatever material I am going to use today, everything is uploaded here. And at the same time, when the class will be over, I will be separately mailing to all of you. सबको मेल करूंगा, ठीक है? तो आपको कोई मटेरियल नहीं, आपको टेंशन नहीं, बस केवल कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. लाइफ इज वेरी सिंपल. Enjoy your life. Let me enjoy your puja, Diwali and all that. Study with good spirit. Everything will be fine. Okay. So SEMA case study exam is a 3-hour exam. 3-hour exam. Three hours exam. 1 second. It is a 3 hours exam. 150 marks. 150 marks. And we can see pass marks. Pass marks. Right here. Pass marks 80. But with subjectivity. What is that subjectivity? I will be telling. It's a 3 hours exam, pure written exam. There is no calculation involved. You will be writing your answers in the Word file. The institute will be giving you in the answer Word file. And that Word file you need to type your answer. And out of 150 to pass the exam, you need to score 80. Generally, in SCS, global average pass percentage, I will say hovering around 40 to 55%. Matlab all over the world, those students who are giving SCS exams, 40 to 55%, you can go on the SEMA website. They will be showing you this is the pass percentage. In our case, it is at least 70% always. मतलब you can see that it's not a difficult exam in simple term. फेल होने के लिए दम चाहिए. अगर मान लीजिए this time in November there are 15 students give the exam, 15 में से 10 लोग जरूर पास होंगे, guarantee. The reason is one, that strategic level students are normally very serious. Normally they are serious, they study as per the instructions and they always pass the exam. I have seen that. In the management level the students are bad. You will say, sir, you are saying bad, क्योंकि वो होमवर्क करते ही नहीं है. मैं बोलते जा रहा हूं कि यू सॉल्व द होमवर्क, यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स. वो करते ही नहीं है. वो केवल एक ही बोलते, सर आई एम वर्किंग, आई डोंट हैव टाइम. ये सब बात नहीं बोलना है. नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर वर्किंग एंड ऑल दैट. इफ यू प्रॉपरली स्टडी यू कैन इजिली पास दिस एग्जाम. ओके. एंड एक्सेप्ट इन द क्लास, एक्सेप्ट जोईजीत, all are from exemption route. एग्जाम्शन रूट. तो आप अपने आप को दुहाई मत दीजिए कि सर मैंने तो सीमा पढ़ा नहीं. ओनली जॉयजीत इन द क्लास स्टडीड सीमा फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग टिल द एंड. बट उसके अलावा एक सिंगल स्टूडेंट क्लास में नहीं है दोज हु आर डूइंग सीमा फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर द डायरेक्ट एंट्री इन टू द स्ट्रैटेजिक केस स्टडी विच इज GPAP route as a chartered accountant, as a CWA member. There are some students, those who have not have professional qualification, but work experience of greater than 13-14 years. They are also doing straight away strategic case study. There are some FLP students, Ravinder, Harpreet and somebody, those who are giving the case study exam directly, but after solving some assignments relating to E3, P3, F3. उन लोगों को assignment solve करना है, but direct entry case study में. यानी कि आपको nobody should think that I am the only person who is giving a straight away case study exam. And when I am saying 70% pass percentage, it is your type of student only. Not that the student, those who studied SEMA from the beginning and every paper they have given the exam. So it is not a problem. तो अगर 70% में हम नहीं आएंगे तो किस में आएंगे यार? जब हम लोग सीए पढ़ते थे, so we scored pass marks in total 100 student, 5-10% रिजल्ट में हम लोग का नाम आ गया. तो 70 में तो हमारा नाम आएगा ही. बस केवल पॉजिटिव वे में, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड के साथ यू नीड टू स्टडी. एंड एज पर माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग, whatever comparison I have done, whatever comparison, I can say Nirav, Sandelia, these are the SEMA case study students. They are already near to pass. I'm not exaggerating because already your theme of writing is very good. आप लोग already एक ही बार में पकड़ लेते हो चीज को, तो आप already पास की कैटेगरी में सबसे पहले. So you should try to score as much marks as more, because if you score world rank 1, then आपको भी मजा आएगा, मेरे को भी आएगा. You will get cash prize from SEMA institutes. You will get so many things. तो आपको खुद को फायदा मिलेगा. And at this level, definitely you want to achieve this because already you have attained some level. So, in this exam, they give one pre-seen material. Pre-seen material. For this case study, it is Pixel which is a gaming company. Gaming company. Okay, very interesting case study, I think. Maybe I have not played so many games. My experience is not with many games. But my son 8 years old, कुछ ना कुछ वो गेम निकालते ही रहता है, तो थोड़ा सा नॉलेज हो गया है. Otherwise, I personally have not played so many games. I neither on mobile phone, neither on computer, neither on laptop. Yeah, you can say that when India में games were launched, video game parlor, maybe still there or not, जब वहां पर गेम्स वगैरह सिंपल गेम्स खिलाया जाता था by paying for 1 hour 10 rupees and all that. That time also, I had not played so many games, but it is interesting case study. So this material institute released yesterday on, you can say 8th of November, whereas so many students were saying that, sir, I received the pre-seen material. अरे मेरे भाई, आप गूगल में एक बार सर्च करो, SEMA SCS, SEMA SCS, November 2021. If we search in Google, this is institute website it is taking. What they are saying, institute website, SEMA institute website, they are saying that for this term, exam will be 24th, 25th, 26th November. The exam dates are 3 days, 24, 25. अब आप बोलेंगे सर एग्जाम, अरे यार एक सिंपल सर्च करने से तो ये मिल रहा है. इसका रिजल्ट कब आएगा? The result will be on 13th January. Normally they release the results within 10th of January, but ये हैप्पी न्यू ईयर वाला टाइम है. And in world level, Happy New Year means Diwali, Durga Puja, Eid, you can say. Their SEMA office, ACC office, then US courses, CMA, CPA offices, from around 15th of December till end of December, they are closed. They will not reply to any of your mail and all that because they have different thing altogether. So for that reason, slightly this term, the results is slightly late. The pre-seen material will be available 8th October. अब continuously you are saying me, sir, I got the pre, अरे कहां से मिला यार? Institute लिख रहा है. I can say that still I received the pre-seen material around 7 days back. I have not received yesterday. I received 7 days back. But the way they are sharing the pre-seen material, the language they are writing, which is stopping us to share with anybody. Such type of ethical language they are writing, then in that case it is very, I got afraid that I should be sharing with others for that reason. So I got the material last week, but I could not share. And I have not disclosed that also. Because otherwise somebody will be pressurizing. And at the same time, we are belonging to an ethical institute. Why not to behave ethically? That way. So I received 1 week back, but मेरे को share करना allowed नहीं है. वो लोग जब mail देते हैं, they write that you are a renowned learning partner. You should not be sharing the pre-seen material. You should be sharing when it will be available for public. So when I got yesterday that it is public, then at that time, instantly I shared with all of you. कि भाई pre-seen material ये. November 21, February 22, same pre-seen material. मतलब if somebody is not giving exam in November, or suppose given the exam could not qualify, For February exam, there will not be any new pre-scene. This pre-scene will be used for February exam also. Earlier, before 2020-19, Institute released for every term separate pre-scene. Then they realized that it is very difficult on the part of the faculty, on the part of the institute to prepare every quarter for the new case study and all that. Not possible. Then from new syllabus 2020, they started that 2 terms same pre-scene material. So for February, there will not be any live classes. If somebody is not giving exam in November, or suppose by chance bad luck could not qualify in November, for February there will not be any live classes. You need to study the same thing which we are studying now for February and give the exam in February 2022. Just that for February, I will be sharing extra mock papers when I will receive from the institute after November exam. Around, you can see January, and I will be getting extra mocks from the institute, which I will share with all of you. Those who could not give exam in November or could not clear the exam in November. Why we will say bad things? But just I am saying that no live classes for February. Again, the live classes will be there for May 2022. Again, for August, there will not be live classes. That way, we are conducting the classes for case study. Then comes, on the basis of this, different sets of question paper, around 4 to 6 sets. That means based on this pre-scene, institute will prepare 4 to 6 sets of question paper. Each question paper will have 3 questions of 60 minutes each. Each question will be of 60 minutes. Now in ACCA, this is not there 60 minutes. The entire paper is in front of you. You can solve first question now. You can solve 5th one earlier, then first, like normal exam standard. CIMA exam slightly different. The first question which is there, you need to answer within 60 minutes. Whatever you answer within 60 minutes, the answer will be submitted. And you will be given the second set of questions, which is again for 60 minutes. Now in the second question, you cannot go back to the first one. That is already submitted. Again, the second question you will complete in 60 minutes. Again, it is submitted. And the third question you will forced. So it is not that the entire paper will be in front of you for entire 3 hours. It will be one by one question, 3 questions. The question means what? Suppose first question, 2-3 paragraphs. 2-3 paragraphs. Then maybe an attachment, some calculations, some newspaper clips, anything they want to give. Then A, B, C requirements. A, B, C, E requirements. There may be 2 requirements, there may be 3 requirements, sometimes 4 also. But this entire first question answer to be given in what? 60 minutes. Right? Yeah. 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, we need to answer this entire. You need to read the paragraphs, 3, 4, 5 paragraph, whatever is given. Then the attachment which is given. Then the requirement which is asked, A, B, C, whatever. And then you will write your answer for all A, B, C within 60 minutes. Out of 60 minutes, reading the paragraph, reading the attachment, requirement of the question will take some time. I always say that around out of 60 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes gone in planning. Reading, understanding what is asked, 15 minutes approximately gone. So you will be getting only 45 minutes to write. And in 45 minutes, speed of write-up, average speed 1.5 line per minute. So 45 into 1.5 will be coming around 70 lines. 70 to 75 lines average length. If you are writing 70 chalega, But if you are writing 60 lines, it's a short answer. If you can write more, very well. The exam is not that you need to write 200 lines. That is not. It's a quality, not the quantity. But if the quantity is very less, then it will be affecting the quality also. So for that reason, average length of the answers should be around 70 to 75 lines for all ABC together. This is said as unseen part. Unseen part. That means it is not a, you can say, bacha wala comprehension exam, that the case study material is there and on the basis of the case study material the questions are designed. No. Maybe in the case study something is not written anywhere, and I will not say maybe, the 99% chance is that only, but they are creating a certain different situation in the exam, totally different situation, jiska case study mein there is nothing written anywhere, and then they are asking you to write the answer. So the problem is that if somebody will try to, you can say, forecast what is going to come in the exam, you are going in wrong direction. Neither I should be doing that, neither you should be doing that what is going to come in exam. We should be trying our level best, whatever will come in exam. I should be able to write a best answer. मेरा और आपका दोनों का only one objective. Whatever will come in exam, I should be able to write a good, logical, explanatory answer properly so that I get the pass marks. My objective in the class, not to tell you which question will come. Your research and everything should not be related to what type of question can come in the exam. Whichever questions you prepare it 360 degree, thinking here and there, write so many things, prepare yourself so that any type of things will come, you can perform very well in the exam. Okay? Now, as I said, there will be 4 to 6 sets. Every set of question paper is not same standard. Some set of question paper will be difficult. Some set of question paper will be very easy, comparatively easy I will say, and some may be mediocre level. Who will decide this? You, me? No. The examiner's team. Those who have prepared the question paper, they are not the examiner. Other team is the examiner. Suppose we all prepared the question paper and another 10-15 sets of people will decide the toughness of different sets of papers. Suppose they decided that out of 6 sets, the 2 sets are very difficult. And out of 6 sets, the 1 set is comparatively easy. And the balance 3 sets are mota-moti, mediocre level. Now I am giving exam on 24th. There are many students giving exam on 24th November. There are many who are giving exam on 25th. There are many who are giving exam on 26th November, 24, 25, 26. 3 dates are there. On each day of the exam, any of the 6 sets can be asked to the student. Any. Suppose I am sitting on the exam screen, click, enter. Any of the 6 sets will open. Any one. Which one? It's God grace. There is no planning by the institute that Sandy should be getting 4th set, Prakash should be getting 2nd set and so on. It's a luck, chance. But suppose Sandy is getting the most difficult set and I am getting the most easiest set. Maja. Sandy is cursing and I am enjoying dancing. But examiner is saying that Prakash, don't dance. Since you are getting an easy variant, easy set of questions, you need to score more to pass. And Sandy, don't take tension. If the variant is difficult, you need to score less to pass the exam. So when I said that pass marks out of 150 is 80 with subjectivity, I mentioned for an easy variant, if the student score 80, then also he fail. For a difficult variant, even though student is scoring 72, then also he may pass. How? Because this 80 is a weighted average score. For a difficult variant, the actual marks which the student will score will be multiplied by a higher weight, say 110%, say 115%. For an easy variant, whatever actual marks a student will score will be multiplied by a lower weightage, say 90%. So this 80 is a weighted average score. It is not the actual score of the student. In a mediocre variant, maybe actual marks is 100% weightage, 80 will remain 80 only. So 80 is a weighted average marks. It is coming out of 150, 80, around 53%. I will say for a simple variant, easy variant, the pass percentage is around 60%. And for a difficult variant, even though you are scoring 45%, then also you will pass. That is never disclosed by SEMA Institute for which variant, what weightage they have given, they will not disclose. But it is written on the institute website. It is said by the institute many times when they conducted webinar and all that, that how they are giving the marks to the students. So all these things may be not relevant for you or me, because ultimately I need to give my best, whether it's a difficult variant, whether it's an easy variant. But that's the logic, that's the system which the institute is following. The last thing, suppose 24th of November, me and Sandy both given the exam. Out of the batch, the 2 students gave the exam. We have a WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp, Sandy and Prakash given the exam. Now other students, those who are giving exam on 25th and 26th, they are asking Sandy and Prakash, what came in the exam? In your variant, the variant which you gave, what came in your exam? First of all, as I have not shared the pre-seen material earlier, me and Sandy should not be disclosing to others, because we need to be ethical. Second thing, suppose I am unethical. Sandy is ethical, but I am unethical, suppose. So I am sharing. But आप believe करो, इतना सारा unseen में write up होता है कि it is not possible to communicate any other person that what exactly came in the exam. So many things they will be giving in the unseen that you cannot remember as a human being. Maybe you can remember that the question came in valuation. The question came relating to, you can say that strategic options. The question came relating to mergers. The question came relating to interest rate hedging. The question came relating to foreign exchange hedging. This much we can remember, that what are the areas tested in that variant. Suppose I am saying that much information to other students, my friends, I will say, not student, my friends. Now अगर मैं ये बता रहा हूं कि फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन की, तो क्या हम लोग आने वाले 1.5 months में फॉरेन एक्सचेंज पढ़ेंगे? नहीं. Then what we are going to study in the class? Are we not going to study takeovers, mergers, synergistic benefits, strategic options and all that thing? Are we not going to study? The question coming again, whatever question I will share, all the questions are same which I shared in last 6 to 7 years. कोई question नया नहीं है. IT, strategic option, take, but case study तो नया है ना मेरे भाई. The case study which we are going to study, game case study never asked in SEMA, in OCS, in MCS, in SCS, never. ये case study पहले नहीं आया हुआ है. The questions are all same which I am going to ask in the class. Because we need to cover all the areas. Any area related with, you can say, entire syllabus. But how can I be specific, or you can be specific, that this situation is asked in the question, the same situation will be coming in the exam? Not possible. So if the student is saying to other student friends that this came, no benefit. No benefit of this. Just that the other student, first of all, thinking that this variant if come to ye question aayega. But the other variant can come. Maybe the other variant you don't know. At the same time, SEMA Institute is taking an active step that wherever in the group, social media, Facebook, anywhere, the students are making a community. And if they are sharing the questions, information with each other, maybe there will be a problem with the student or anybody. That also is a problem. They are taking steps. They are very active into that. So सारी बातें ये बताती है कि ये सब सोचकर कोई फायदा नहीं है. The last thing I always say in every batch, around 2017, one of the students gave exam for a strategic case study. And according to my understanding, she was brilliant. Okay? She was brilliant. उसको कहीं ना कहीं से 5-6 वेरिएंट का सारा क्वेश्चन पता चल गया. From which group and all that I don't know. She came to know all the questions. But वो नहीं scenario कि मोटा मोटी this came. Then on the day of exam, I discussed with her for 2 hours all the questions, which is actually waste of my time and her time. She scored 84, she passed. But agar she would have gone in the exam open-minded, she would have definitely scored marks in triple digit. Because in place of discussing, if you have the questions, why not you write the answer? and you share your thought process with me, I will upgrade your answer to the next level and then you go in the exam. केवल डिस्कशन से क्या होएगा? बिकॉज अगर डिस्कशन से होता फिर तो हम लोगों को रिकॉर्डिंग करने की जरूरत ही क्या है? वी डोंट रिक्वायर एनी रिकॉर्डिंग. सो applying your brain along these lines, 24th, 26th, this, that, connecting with other students, it's all waste of time. ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है सिंस 2015 to 21 एंड. मैंने कंटिन्यूअसली ये देखा है कि जो भी स्टूडेंट ये दिमाग लगा रहे हैं विच क्वेश्चन एंड ऑल, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग गुड मार्क्स, क्योंकि उनका दिमाग पढ़ने के बजाय जस्ट वॉच विच केम इन विच वेरिएंट एंड ऑल दैट वहीं रहता है. सो माई एडवाइस टू ऑल ऑफ यू, डोंट गो देयर. Don't try to exaggerate yourself that this came and all. Just you study properly, give your best, automatically you will pass. Because ऐसे भी there is no question or no fixed answer for any of the question. The questions are open-ended, there is no fixed answer for anything. This is SEMA system for the case study exams. And coming 3 years, SEMA Institute is not going to change anything. Because every 5 years they change the syllabus and everything. They have already changed 2020, 21, 2 years are over. So still 3 years are left, nothing going to change anything in this pattern. Even earlier also before 2020, the case study was different for different term, but the exam are same. You can say that from 2020, that is as per the current syllabus, the institute is saying that for case study exam, student need to prepare based on the core areas. Student need to prepare based on core areas. What are the core areas? Since we are on Monday, Wednesday classes, doing already all these things, those areas which we have done, you will get the feeling, oh, ये तो हमने किया. लेकिन अगर कोई सोचेगा कि वो ACCA का था, ऐसा ये सब सोचेंगे तो you are actually thinking wrong direction. बिकॉज अगर वो आपके लिए रेलिवेंट नहीं है तो मैं आपको मंडे वेडनेसडे क्लास में जबरदस्ती आपका हेडेक लेता हूं. अगर ये चीज रेलिवेंट एसीसीए स्टूडेंट के लिए नहीं है तो मैं उनको जबरदस्ती हेडेक दे रहा हूं. नहीं इच्छा है मेरी हेडेक देने की. तो अगर आप सोचते हैं कोई भी टाइम पे एक सेकेंड भी कि दिस इज नॉट रेलिवेंट फॉर मी, दिस इज एसीसीए स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई आई विल डू, देन यू आर गोइंग टोटली रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन. सो दे आर सेइंग 5 core areas the student need to know for giving the case study exam. The core area A, develop business strategy. Now on Monday, Wednesday classes, we have already covered all the strategic development and everything. I can evaluate strategic options. I can recommend strategic decisions. I can evaluate potential acquisition and divestment opportunities. I can recommend response to opportunities and threats arising from the digital technologies. Strategic options. I have written ENSOF model, Porter's generic advantage, or maybe you can say that Porter's diamond, this, that. Whether you want to use a model or not, I'm to just saying the model. We have studied in Monday, Wednesday classes, strategic options, strategic decisions. Out of that, which one you will select? Out of the different options, which we will select? How we will be deciding that this will be the best strategy for the company? If there is organic way of development, inorganic, takeover, mergers, what are the advantage, disadvantage of takeover, mergers in place of organic, or organic advantage, what the company should be doing? Recommend the opportunities and threats of whatever strategy you are selecting. That in every strategy there are chances of losses. Whatever you will decide for future, it's not guarantee of success. There may be some problems. So what are the risks and all that? I can say that in this area, we have not studied the risk area, but other things we have already covered in 6 classes. अब आपने अगर मैंने क्लास में पढ़ाया पेस्ट मॉडल, इन्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस, पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिकल, सोशल, टेक्नोलॉजिकल, मोटर, 5 forces and all that, how you will analyze the options unless and until you don't go through the environment of the organization? How we will analyze the options for Pixelwich? If we don't analyze their business environment, or internal, external environment, their competencies, their resources and all that, how can you say that they should be applying this strategy? तो जैसा कि मैंने पहले बोला और अभी भी बोल रहा हूं कि आप अगर ये सोच रहे हैं कि मेरे को पेस्ट नहीं याद है, आई डोंट एबल टू रिमेंबर पेस्ट, माइकल पोर्टर, 5 forces, दिस दैट, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Who is saying that in the exam you need to write that I am writing pest, I am writing Michael Porter 5 forces. It's a business case study. You need to understand that in the exam they are saying that you are senior finance manager. Above you, only the board members are there. Finance director, managing director, chief operating officer, this, that, all these persons are there. They are director. So you are just one ladder below the director. After some time, you are going to become director of the company. For the time being, you are the senior finance manager of the company. अब सीनियर फाइनेंस मैनेजर इन मैनेजमेंट माने इन सीमा की स्टडी, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग कोर्स, आपको बिजनेस में सब कुछ आता है. Whether it's financials, whether it's finalization, whether it's strategic decisions, whether it's risk management, whether it's analyzing opportunities, whether any threats which the company may face, and everything. The videos which I have shared, you must have seen that. The first video where one lady is saying about the gaming industry problem. Why I have shared that video? When you type on Google game videos, you will get thousands of videos now. ये तो पुराना जमाना नहीं है कि the videos are limited. मैंने वही वीडियो क्यों दिया? I will say that I was interested to give you only 2-3, but I have given 2 more extra videos. The last 2 videos are very technical, talking about how the game are developed. Some portions is written in the pre-scene also, but मेरे को कोई video game developer थोड़ी ना बनना है. We are management accountant. The technical matter, software, hardware, this, that, we don't know, we don't want to know. That is written in the pre-scene. We will read 2-3 times, try to recollect so that we will be able to use that. But the pre-scene material in the exam hall will be there on your screen every time. There will be a tab which will be written pre-scene. You can click that and anytime you can read from the pre-scene material. Anytime. But in the exam hall, if you need to open the pre-scene, then what we are going to do in 50 days, that is not allowed. 50 दिनों में pre-scene को 3 से 4 बार कम से कम we need to read. Minimum. 3 to 4 times we need to read pre-scene properly. So that at the time of exam, I can save my time. But the pre-scene will be there in the exam hall in a particular tab. You click, you will be getting the pre-scene material any moment in the exam hall. But I mean to say that कि somebody may be taking tension कि मैंने तो पढ़ा नहीं है. कोई बात नहीं यार, आप ओपन माइंडेड रहिए. नहीं पढ़ा है अभी से पढ़ लीजिए, because the time is more than enough to study from today. Give the exam in November and score world rank. मैं ये exaggerate करके नहीं बोल रहा हूं. If you don't give exam in November, give exam in February, then also the same problem will be there. It's thus the mentality. I have here given some extra videos. Those who are already, you can see that. Suppose if you go in Google Drive and May, August, you can see this is important videos list on the Google Drive, which is shared with all of you, the important video list. What I have done this time, that this video list I have bifurcated into core area A, B, C, D, E separately. Now I have not written here the videos of the current batch that we have discussed, strategic options, strategic choices and all that we have discussed. That videos are already there, written in the ACCA SBL, under this, the list of the classes which we have already done up till now, 7 classes. In each class, what I taught. So these are already relevant, which we have discussed. Somebody has not studied properly, then in that case you can refer. Now nobody need to request कि सर अपनी किस क्लास में क्या पढ़ाया था. आपको ऑलरेडी गूगल ड्राइव में ये अपलोड होते रहते हैं. अभी तक मैंने 7 क्लासेस लिए, नेक्स्ट मंडे को 8 क्लास लूंगा, यहां अपलोड हो जाएगा अपने आप. सो वट एवर वी आर डिस्कसिंग, दैट इज अपलोडेड हियर. You can refer that. So I have not written those videos of the current batch, but those which we are not going to cover in the class. Suppose basic capital budgeting, present value, NPV, IRR, not so relevant for strategic level student, more relevant for management level. But क्या होता है, जीरो नॉलेज अगर NPV, IRR का है, we studied in CA or CWA, we don't recollect, then at least एक 3 घंटे का, this is not, in total this is around 2 hours video. And this A, B, C, D 4 parts is around 3 hours. तो 4 घंटे का एक वीडियो देखने से you will be able to recollect NPV, IRR, because in the exam, if relating to this potential evaluation and all that. They give you in the case study, in the unseen, a cash flow analysis. They will give you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They will give you cash flows and all that. They calculate NP. आ सकता है. It is less important in strategic case study, but can come. So why to leave scope for that? So this video students should be doing, not today. In a due course, I will be telling how. The second, core activity area B, evaluate the business ecosystem and business environment. This is actually PEST, Michael Porter, 5 forces, all these analysis. Apply suitable strategic analytical tool, all tool which we discussed in strategic environment analysis. I can conduct an analysis of a stakeholder, Mendelow's matrix. We are going to discuss on Monday Mendelow's under the stakeholder reporting. I can recommend appropriate responses to changes business ecosystem. That is, because of the government policy, because of the Michael Porter 5 forces, because what are going to change in the industry? Are we ready for that? I can recommend the KPI. So many KPIs already written in the case study. If somebody has read, then in that case KPI is already written. But you can develop more. I can recommend responses to economic, political and currency risk, which you can see that foreign exchange and interest rate risk. Now, we are not going to study separately foreign exchange interest rate risk in this batch. So I have uploaded here the video. This video I did around 3-4 months back. In one batch, I was teaching this. I have uploaded that on YouTube and this video if we do. Now this video has, I have done so many calculations, divide, multiply and all that. But in SEMA case study, nobody is asking you divide, multiply. But at least if you do the video, some basic understanding you will develop. Then with the classes which we will be discussing in the case study, your forex and interest rate risk will be covered. Anybody when join, I say that you do the important videos, SCS important videos. Even though if you have not done, do now. Only one video and the others are we are already doing on Monday, Wednesday classes. Financial statement analysis we will be doing today's class and in the next class, because we will not be able to complete everything today even in 6 hours. So financial analysis we will be doing today also and in the next class also. Then the recommend the financing strategies. Source of funds for any project we require money. Whether the company should go for debt, should go for equity. What is the advantage of debt as against equity, disadvantage, this, that. Looking at the financials of the company. What could be the best policy? How much company dividend is paying? What dividend they should pay? How the dividend policy affect? Recommend and apply business valuation models. Business valuation, if you are going to take over another company, then you need to value the other company. Whether the valuation should be net assets basis, cash flow basis, earnings basis and all that. Those who are ACCA student, ACCA का AFM याद आ रहा होगा. Padam, Vishal and others. And those who are SEMA students, says, I will say indirectly, those who are SEMA students, Sandelia, you must able to remember SEMA have 3 classes. आपके भी एग्जाम में SBL में ये सब आएगा. आप ये मत सोचिए कि खाली सीमा के लिए आएगा. बिकॉज अगर केवल सीमा के लिए आएगा तो मैं आपको बोलता यू ज्वाइन आफ्टर 1 आवर, यू ज्वाइन आफ्टर 1.5 आवर. पूरा का पूरा ब्रह्मांड आएगा. कुछ भी नहीं है जो सिलेबस पे नहीं है. So I mean to say that maybe somebody will say that I am not there in the class and all that. There is no option. Either you don't give exam in November, I will be teaching AFM and F3 again from December. Then you can study. या पुराना रिकॉर्डिंग कर लीजिए. कैसे सारी चीजें पढ़ाए यार, कैसे, how to manage. And how many classes you can do regularly. That also is a tension. So you can say that, या तो आप ऐसा सोचिए कि इसके लिए आपको अलग से कोई वीडियो नहीं करना है. I will cover anyhow with the case study in detail these things based on the pixel wedge, not based on a general understanding pixel wedge. We are going to add basic 1 or 2 videos relating to interest rate risk, source of funding I have covered. So that you do these videos, at least basic understanding will be developed. Because Joyjit, suppose you studied these things around 1 year back. आपको भी तो एक बार ब्रश अप करना होगा ना. तो मैंने रेलेवेंट वीडियो यहां दे दिया है. Then evaluate and mitigate risk. This we have not covered on Monday, Wednesday classes. After coming Monday, I will be going into this area only. And I will cover after Monday in next 1 week this area risk management. So you can say that we are anyhow going to technically study risk management after Durga Puja. After 28th, between 28th to 30th, I am going to cover this part. It is evaluate risk, recommend risk response, identify ethical dilemmas. Ethics we have understood. We have already studied ethics and professionalism. Mitigate cyber risk and all that, internal control. Because after corporate governance, I am going to teach in Monday, Wednesday class the risk management, the identification of risk, management of risk, internal control, internal audit and IT. Those areas which we are going to do, this is that area. We have not done that up till now technically. But I have covered one video which I taught very well in IT based around 5-6 months back. That video is taken from YouTube. All those are YouTube videos, freely available. Then the last core area E, recommend and maintain a sound internal control. Again, internal audit, internal control. We have not studied in our Monday, Wednesday classes. We are going to cover. Your P3 syllabus, SEMA P3 is internal audit, internal control, ethics, corporate governance. Along with that, IT risk. So those areas we have not covered, we are going to cover. I have covered for this a very 360 degree. This class I took around 6 to 8 months back. And I discussed 5 hours, everything in strategic case study, everything. All technical matter I have discussed. Because one student said that, क्या सर सारा सर रिवाइज कर सकते, मैंने करा दिया. लेकिन उससे कोई फायदा, बिकॉज अगर हम लोग कल एग्जाम दे रहे हैं और आज हम लोग को सारा मेरे से सुनना है तो कैसे होएगा, होना नहीं है. फिर भी आई एक्सप्लेन्ड 5 hours those things. You can see that this is the area. Now, there is a planner, SEMA SCS. Somebody will think that is this time enough adequate to prepare for the exam? I have uploaded on Google Drive a strategic or case study planner. I have not filled up this. I have just written that कि अभी से 1.5 month, you can say 50 days are left. I am assuming that whether you are a rank holder, whether you are an average student, whether you are a below average student, whether you are very busy in your office, whether you are not so busy, but under every situation we can study in a week around 15 hours per week. In average 2 hours per day. Suppose Monday to Friday you are very busy. Then Monday to Friday you can take an average of 1 hour per day or maybe 1.5 hour per day, including assignments. हाँ मेरे भाई बता रहा हूं. आपको लगता है रविंदर जी की बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ना है, लेकिन नहीं सर. अगर मन से दिल से अगर दिन में 1.5 से 2 घंटा पढ़ा जाए तो हम वर्ल्ड में रैंक लाएंगे. मन होना चाहिए ना, मन तो हमारा है ही नहीं तो कैसे होएगा रविंदर जी. सो मेरा ये बोलना है कि अगर आप 15 आवर्स करके, ये मैं सेल्फ स्टडी बोल रहा हूं, अदर देन द क्लासेस ऑन 4 Saturdays 6 hours और मंडे वेडनेसडे क्लासेस, फॉरगेट देम. आई एम आस्किंग 15 hours पर वीक योर सेल्फ स्टडी. से मंडे टू फ्राइडे 1 hour पर डे एंड सैटरडे संडे 2 to 3 hours पर डे. सैटरडे संडे थोड़ा ज्यादा बिकॉज ऑफिस नहीं है तो वी विल बी एबल टू मैनेज. कोई बोलेगा सर मेरा तो 7 दिन ऑफिस है, सर फिर डेली 2 घंटा पढ़ना होगा आपको. यू हैव टू स्टडी 15 hours पर डे फॉर कमिंग 6 weeks फ्रॉम टुडे. November 24th to 26th 6 weeks are there. हर वीक के लिए प्लान बनाइए अपना. हर वीक के लिए प्लान क्या बनाना है कि सपोज फॉर द फर्स्ट वीक माई प्लान इज कोर एरिया ए एंड बी. कोर एरिया ए एंड बी में स्ट्रैटेजिक चॉइसेस, स्ट्रैटेजिक ऑप्शंस, एनालिसिस, देन यू कैन से दैट सम फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रिस्क एंड ऑल दैट कवर्ड. मेरे को वो सब कवर करना है, ठीक है. मेरे को प्रीसीन मटेरियल 2 बार रीडिंग करना है और सर जो असाइनमेंट दें मैं दूंगा आपको, वो असाइनमेंट मेरे को सल को सॉल्व करके आंसर सबमिट करना है. I can say that suppose I will be giving in 2 assignment core area A and B. I will be covering 4 questions, 8 question. एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखने में you can say 1 hour. 8 क्वेश्चन का 8 घंटा. तो आपका 8 घंटा असाइनमेंट सॉल्व करने में जाएगा. उसके अलावा you will make yourself prepare for core area A and B. तो A and B के लिए अगर आप मंडे वेडनेसडे अच्छे से पढ़ रहे थे तब तो आपका A and B कोर एरिया ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड है, रेडी है. आप नहीं पढ़ रहे थे, नौटंकी कर रहे थे, तो अभी आपको इन दैट केस यू नीड टू कवर दैट. द असाइनमेंट विल बी बेस्ड ऑन दिस केस स्टडी ओनली, अदरवाइज नो पर्पस. इन मंडे वेडनेसडे क्लासेस वी आर ओपन एंडेड. वी आर नॉट डूइंग असाइनमेंट बेस्ड ऑन केस स्टडी. वी आर डूइंग जनरल थिंग. वी विल कंटिन्यू दोज जनरल थिंग. बट in This all will be based on Pixelviz. All, everything. Everything will be based on Pixelviz. All assignments will be focusing on Pixelviz only. Okay? So, 7 to 8 hours you will be preparing technically, reading the pre-seen material, and 7 to 8 hours you will be solving the assignments. You make your target. Say exclude Saturday, Sunday. Bhul jaiye aap. Monday, from 10th. Monday 10th what I will study, at what time. You should make a point that you should study at that time where nobody is disturbing you. In the night 12 o'clock. How anybody will give me message? Let's see. In the morning 4 o'clock. As I always say in the class. But I cannot study any time when I am getting disturbed. Because at that time 1 hour thing I will take 6 hours to complete. I want that my mobile, even though it is open, nobody is messaging me. Morning 4 बजे कौन मैसेज करे, किसका दम है? Let the person get up. So you need to study at that time where you are getting a pin drop silence and focus on your study. एकदम डिवोशन के साथ कि 1 घंटा में I will study 5 hours things. Whichever time is applicable. Because अगर घर में you need to do work. Suppose there are some here and there work you need to do also. तो सुबह 4 बजे कौन सी दुकान खुली है? What you will do? Who will be disturbing you at that time when you are, that is your personal time. You have to do that. If you are not doing now, you have to do for February. For me, any time. आपको ध्यान लगाना है. ये सब बोलने से नहीं चलेगा. I have office, this, that. Everybody says me, sir, I am working. अरे भाई, everybody is working. What's the problem? You are working. It's good now you are working. You are satisfied. You are contented. You are earnings. So you will be able to devote for study. Effective time. So make your schedule as per your availability. Ki this Monday I will study this thing, this time. It will take say 1 or 2 hours. But 1-2 घंटा में full chart is ready. Now, Sandy or anybody, ये बनाने के बाद आप मेरे को मत देने लग जाना. Sir, I have made my schedule like this. अरे यार, we are not kids. आपको अपना schedule अपने लिए, you don't have to show to anybody. आपके पास क्या खाली टाइम है नहीं है ये कैसे बता? This is your life. You need to make schedule and follow that for coming 1.5 months. Easily you can pass the case study. Easily. गड़बड़ है ही नहीं. Suppose in 1 week, core area A and B not fully completed. Then in the second week, you can make a provision for contingency that core area B is still some portion left and you start core area C and D. In the third week, maybe out of C and D something left and along with E also. In the 3 weeks, all the core areas should be completed. I will complete in the class everything. Today is 9th. You add 9 into 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21. मैं 3 वीक में आपको सारे कोर एरिया क्लास में खत्म कर दूंगा. जो मैंने फर्स्ट क्लास में व्हेन स्टार्टेड सितंबर मैंने बोला था कि बाय अराउंड 10th of November एवरीथिंग विल फिनिश. तो मैं आने वाले समय में सब खत्म कर दूंगा कोर एरिया. मे बी I will give you questions also for core area A, B, C, D, E, but that is not discussed in the class. ऐसा हो सकता है based on case study. But we will discuss maximum by 15th everything. Then last का 2 week बचेगा. तो last का 2 week full focus on mock paper. Now we are not studying. After 3 weeks we are not studying technical things. That's done. Now we are solving the questions without referring anything exactly in 60 minutes. Can I write a logical answer, proper structured answer in 60 minutes or not? So this week slightly, this week 100%, this week 100%. You can see 15th of November till 25th of November, the 10 days we focus on mock papers only. At that time, whenever we will be writing answers, then we will not refer anything. And most probably by next term, my software will be ready from which when I will be giving mock paper to students, then they will not be able to open anything while giving the mock paper. अभी तो मेरे पास ready नहीं है, but the work is going on, तो मैं next term तक वो ले आऊंगा. तो in that case आपको फिर भी अब मेरे को बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा, please don't open. But अभी वो काम चल रहा है, that work is going on. This term it will not be ready. By next term, I am trying my level best that it should be ready. But you can say that when you are giving exam, you need to be genuine. That when you are giving a mock paper, you cannot refer anything, Google or anything. When I will be giving assignments for core area A, B, C, D here, suppose Ravinder ji will say that, sir, I don't know this. रविंदर जी, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग दैट यू राइट द आंसर्स इफ यू डोंट नो व्हाट यू विल डू. आप मेरा वीडियो देखिए, आप गूगल सर्च करिए, आप P3 मटेरियल खोलिए, F3 खोलिए, E3 खोलिए, पढ़िए, उसके बाद आंसर लिख कर दीजिए. द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट दैट यू डोंट नो. You prepare yourself, then you write. Just one request. Wherever you are reading anything, don't copy paste the same thing. Write in your language. Suppose I will say, suppose Sandy, Harpreet, or maybe I will say that many are there who are in the FLP route. आपको FLP के अंदर there are so many material institute is sharing because they have charged huge from you. So they have given. आप वहां से पढ़िए, लेकिन आप वो कॉपी नहीं करेंगे. You need to write in your own language because in exam from nowhere you can copy. So you will be writing in your language and you have to make a point that I will be writing the answers for every question. And I will be submitting the answers within the guidelines which I will be telling you. I will be asking you write core area A 4 questions answer in 5 days. अरे एक दिन में एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो लिख सकते हैं यार. At the end of 5th day, don't message me. Sir, I will submit tomorrow. No. We will not be able to check. सबका एक साथ चेक करने में मेरे को टाइम बचेगा. You also need to understand I am human being. You will give all the core area A, B, C, D answer after 1 month. Sir, you check. Not possible. Because जैसे जैसे है वैसे वैसे आपको प्रोसीड करना है. So fill up this planner and proceed according to the planner. Everything will be very simple. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आने वाली है. Just before proceeding to the pre-seen material. One second. What the institute is writing. Because it is important paragraphs taken from the institute website. The case study exam is an attempt to stimulate workplace problem solving. It's an exam which is exactly incorporating the workplace problem in the exam. It's not a question answer. Allows examiners to move one step closer to the assessment of the competencies than is possible with the objective test. Those who are studying SEMA, say Joyjeet, given all the exams, so in the objective test, they are not able to analyze your practical application. They are able to understand your technical knowledge. The case study exam is more of a practical application. The case study is assessed by way of 3-hour computer-based examination. You cannot take examination until you have successfully completed the objective test examination. For Joyjeet, this sentence is applicable. When he has completed E3, P3, F3, then only he is allowed to give the case study exam. For FLP student, complete the assignments. Or if you are direct entry route, like Anupriya and anybody in the class, then through exemption route, आपको वो सब करना नहीं पड़ा. That is other thing. For the relevant level, whether it's operational level, management level, strategic level, the exam comprises a series of requirements which aim to integrate and apply the technical knowledge tested in the objective test examination. That is, the technical knowledge which the student has gathered through the objective test, or maybe not the objective test, but through his basic study, like we are doing on Monday, Wednesday. So that study will be tested in the exam in practical way. The exam is based on a pre-seen material issued in advance for the exam, issued yesterday for November exam, supplemented by additional previously unseen material given in the exam hall. And in the exam hall, unseen material will be there. This will be several requirement. Trigger means, I said trigger means a question, and on the basis of question A, B, C, different questions are there. Task that is to be answered within 60 minutes. Then another task within 60 minutes. Tips by the examiners written in SEMA Institute. I have copy pasted from there. Read the pre-seen material very carefully. You will not be able to prepare carefully if you read pre-seen once. I have already read pre-seen materials 2 बार. Already पढ़ चुका हूं. मैंने 2 बार पढ़ लिया है. मेरे को एग्जाम नहीं देना है, फिर भी पढ़ाना है. आपको 3 बार कम से कम, और एक ही वीक के अंदर. First time when you read like an essay. Read the entire 31 pages in maximum say around 1 hour. एकदम फटाफट. Second time when you read, reduce your speed. Because first time you get the feel कि भाई क्या है. Second time there are some technical areas which you want to understand more. So second time when you read it in 2 hours. Third time when you read it in 3 hours. Maybe the first week you take that 2 times reading. Second week you will do 3rd time reading. So that everything, financials and everything you know. Because in the exam it is very much important that You know in and out about the company, about their challenges, options, everything. Come into the examination hall understanding the industry and the company. In this, I will say that, suppose I have given you 3-4 videos. You can do Google search, you can go to YouTube, but don't do only research. Because research देने के लिए अपने पास research cannot be completed even in years. एक लेवल तक रिसर्च करना है, एक बेसिक आपको कोई चीज जानना है, यू डिड सम रिसर्च ओके, बट आप केवल इंडस्ट्री का रिसर्च मत करते रह जाइएगा. दैट इज माई रिक्वेस्ट, बिकॉज उतना रिसर्च मैं भी नहीं कर रहा हूं, कोई फायदा नहीं निकलेगा. मैनेज टाइम एंड मेक श्योर दैट दे डू नॉट रन आउट ऑफ टाइम ऑन सेक्शंस दे नो वेल. इन द एग्जाम व्हाट हैपेंस दैट स्टूडेंट नो अ पर्टिकुलर आंसर वेरी वेल, वो उसमें 10 मिनट के बदले 30 मिनट दे रहे हैं, तो जो नहीं आता उसका क्या होएगा? स्टूडेंट विल फेल द एग्जाम. Where you know, save your time. Answer what is asked by reading the questions very carefully. What Ravinder ji was saying that verb याद रखना है, कि याद नहीं. अगर आपको समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है कि क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहे हैं, तो आंसर कैसे देंगे? आओ. आंसर विच आर नॉट अप्लाइड टू द केस विल नॉट स्कोर हाई मार्क्स और नो मार्क्स. आपको पूछा जा रहा है एक्स, आप लिख रहे हो वाई नंबर लड्डू. You need to see exactly what they are asking. A good level of knowledge of the 3 strategic syllabus area will be advisable. That is E3, P3, F3 का basic knowledge होना जरूरी है. Candidate must be able to apply their knowledge to a variety of situations and so how they have in-depth knowledge of the subject. That means they are saying that there is no fixed answer. If you are writing something, I am writing something, everybody is writing in the right direction. And then the core area they have explained. Based on the core area, the student will study, but they are saying that, let me read this also. This is also important. The CIMA case study blueprint is based on 5 core activities supported by arrangement of assessment outcomes expressed in terms of I can understand like core area A, B, C, D, E. However, rather than focusing on distinction between different core activities, कि A में क्या, B में क्या, ये दिमाग मत लगाइए. The most important skill on the day of exam is to able to answer the task set with the sufficient application of knowledge. The main reason candidate fail is that their answer are very too generic, not related with the case study, not related with the subject. They are generic like in Monday, Wednesday classes. In the case study classes also you are generic, whereas it is for pixel which. Broadly speaking, you will need to ensure you have properly prepared the pre-seen information in advance of the exam and also be comfortable with how to react to the unseen information. The preparation is split into familiarize yourself with the pre-seen, read pre-seen 2-3 times, based on pre-seen core area A, B, C, D, E, prepare yourself and then practice unseen based mock papers before the exam. That we are going to do in our classes, that everybody should be doing in their self-study or from anywhere they are studying. For ACCA student, what is the difference? Only one. The pre-seen is not there. On the day of exam, you will be getting the case study, which is not of 31 page, which is of around 12 to 15 pages, but that is relating to a particular industry and all that. Let's write up, along with the, what I should say, exhibits, exhibit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the questions are relating to accounts, finance, auditing, internal control, risk management, IT risk, this, that, everything. The case study means no syllabus. It's open-ended. इसीलिए normally what we say in ACCA, the students would be giving SBL exam after they have cleared other 3 papers. SBR less relevant, but APM, AFM or somebody is studying auditing, उसके बाद अगर वो SBL देने जाएगा, comfort level will be much better because your preparation has been done, so you will be able to technically better equipped to give the case study exam as compared to without studying those papers. And this entire is very much related with APM subjects. अभी तक ऑलरेडी पदम विशाल फीलिंग आया होएगा, जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे लगेगा यार बहुत अच्छा किए कि एपीएम के बाद हम लोग केस स्टडी देने गए, एकदम डायरेक्ट कोरिलेशन था. अगर एपीएम 1 साल पहले पढ़ते तो गड़बड़ होता. ये सबसे बेस्ट हो रहा है अपने साथ. सो आई हैव मेड द रूल फ्रॉम दिस बैच कि अब से मैं एपीएम के बाद ही एसबीएल ऑलवेज पढ़ाऊंगा. लाइक दैट आई हैव डिसाइडेड. ओके, थैंक यू सर. It's set up and now I realize that it is one of the best setup कि इसी तरह चलते रहना चाहिए. So we have made the new mail when the student will be inquiring for case study. तो हमने नया मेल बनाया है. नया मेल में I have written the schedule for coming 1 year. Currently this is running. Then March 22 say this. Then you can see it is Again written wrong by my team. AFM, SBR, APM, SBL. Again same story. We will be running for next 1 year. Okay, good. So this is best planning. According to me, I should follow this always. Okay. Now before starting the pre-scene material, anybody, सीमा ACCA student, any specific query generally? रविंदर जी कुछ है मन में जो पूछना है? Unseen different for each question. I am not getting. Sandilia, what I said? Yeah.
Sir, matlab 60 minutes each question, right?
Yes.
So each question.
Yeah, unseen will be different for each question. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe they can go with a theme. Theme means, suppose in the case study they are focusing on employee issue. Okay. Ki bhai because the video which I shared, the lady is saying that in this industry, once the game is developed, then the employee are retrenched at that time only, which is very bad for them. They have developed everything and now they are not getting jobless. At the same time, the treatment of women employees and all that, those issues are there. Suppose the examiner has thought that in this paper I will focus on this theme. Okay. So in the first question, the question's unseen portion is designed in such a way that it is related with core area A and B, but more relating to that issue. Suppose the question is second question, which is a 60 minute second part. Then it is talking about takeover, merger or something in the organization where employee management is much better. Takeover relating to, so maybe the theme will be same, but the question unseen part will be different for each question. So you need to give 10-12 minutes for every question to read the unseen part, prepare yourself, then you can start writing the answer. Okay. Now, anybody has any specific question? Acha, 1 second. Najara Technologies, one of the top Indian gaming company, came out with IPO as a trading material. मेरे को नहीं मालूम है. Maybe going through its prospectus may give an insight and inputs into gaming companies as they dwell upon business environment, risk factors, opportunities. बहुत ज्यादा लेंदी है क्या? If it is like this, they have given the case study around 31 pages, चलेगा. But if it is 100-200 pages, I will not advise because it will be giving you perspective, but बहुत time लग जाएगा. How much is the detail of that? Yes, you can. So you can share with us also. I will share with everybody. Because how they are going to IPO, what they have done and all that in the past, what is their projection with the IPO money and all that. We can prepare good because that will help to write a very good answers in exams. Yes. तो या तो हम लोग गूगल सर्च करेंगे, आपके पास होगा तो यू कैन शेयर विथ मी, आई विल शेयर विथ ऑल ऑफ देम. ओके. एंड इफ एनीबडी हैज क्रिएटेड, बिकॉज पदम जी ने तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट करके रखा ही है, so if anybody is not in the WhatsApp group, you all can join. Padam, can you write your number again here?
I will have to cut the relevant extracts from the prospectus, red herring prospectus, and then make a file and I will send you.
Yeah, so then in that case you do that maybe in 2-3 days. Then you can say here there is no hurry. Okay. And this is Padam number. He has created a WhatsApp group. Anybody who want to be in the WhatsApp group, you message him in WhatsApp. He will add you in the group. So Padam has taken the responsibility to create the WhatsApp group. Okay? So Joyjeet, now you get to know. If you don't want to be, anybody don't want to be in the WhatsApp group, you may not be. It's not a compulsion. Okay. So now we are going into Stella. Don't write your number here. You just copy the number. You just give a message to Padam at this number and Padam will add you. Because everybody will share his and her number, who will write all these numbers. So it is better that one student Padam, those who want to be in the WhatsApp group, at this number you message to Padam, Padam will add you in the WhatsApp group. So you all can study together. Okay? Now,